Good morning. Good morning. My trade from yesterday did hit take profit. So that worked out beautiful. It just took too long to do it. So to those that caught it and stayed, awesome. I'm just super busy with mom life and didn't get to doing that. But we ranged like all night with I did say I was looking at US 30. I don't know if I'm ready to take on that task right now, only because I'm extremely tired. However, let's take a look at it. Let's mark up US 30. $9.30 is here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. That order flow is stuck on US 30 right now. This is not bad. See what happens. We got a signal from Firestorm. We're looking at a short. Maybe to tap into these lows here. If we can do it. My stop would be here. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And here is the short for US 30. So let's see what happens here. I'm not in yet. I want to re-enter. I'll be in here in a couple minutes. Hold on 1 second. I'm in. Stop this here. I don't know what Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq shut up. Oh, let's see. I am gonna hold to break even here because we have a bunch of buyers that just came in. So let's see what happens there. Looking good, looking clean. Awesome. US 30 is feeling kind of good today. My goodness. Is this how US 30 is? I feel like Nasdaq is just so all over the place. What have I been doing for 3 months? April, you should have been just like in my text messages, like, move, Trina, move. Seriously. Okay. I'm loving US 30 today. I mean, this is just beautiful. Take profit one technically hit, which, as you know from my previous videos, I talk about the bottom and talking about the bottom of market structure, usually take profit. So take profit one, take profit two, you could say, and then take profit three right there. Like I do notice that it's significantly less pay. However, the market structure is more predictable. So if you're trying to pull out like two, three, $400 out on a, let's say 5 Top Step accounts, you could do absolutely amazing with that. Ah, there's your comparison right now. So you need 4 YM contracts to equal up to 1 NQ contract. So, okay, that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at NASDAQ right here. I mean, NASDAQ's just playing around and we're already done on US 30. Like we're literally just about to smash take profit, like full take profit. So I'd say I'm gonna be out of here because my trading is done. That was a very, very nice move. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. We had our daily high up here, and here's our low so far, but we're pulling back. So that was a beautiful trade. So 8 minutes. 8 minutes and we're done. Oh, I gotta go get a baby. Hold on. Yeah, I did good. I'm up $1,000 actually on all 5 accounts right now. So thanks to US 30. Congratulations, Jasmine, for being up $1,100. You're now positive 500. Congrats. I'm so happy you're looking at US 30. I never could follow NQ. It makes me crazy. NQ has gotten crazy. You know, believe it or not, years ago, it was US 30 that was so crazy and NQ that was more easy. So I would say that it's now flopped and now everyone's on NQ and US 30 is the one you want to go with. So I'm very happy with it. Full disclaimer, it's not always like this. Oh, I know it's not always like this, but it's super nice that it just did that today. So I have my trailing stop down here now. Let's I noticed the 5 minute candle hacks aren't always that big of a deal on the 5 minute on US 30 as they are for NQ. Hit full take profit for me on NQ. Carly, you made $360. Congratulations. Congratulations, Matthew. That's awesome. So full take profit was hit for me. I'm out. So I will see you all. I will see you all on tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, so in and out of the market pretty quickly. US 30 was good to us today. I think we'll do US 30 tomorrow too. Everyone log off. Yeah, I honestly, we're done in what, 9 minutes of market open? 10 minutes? 10 minutes isn't bad to make $1,100. Correct, Jasmine. I will see you all tomorrow.